Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress is used for. Okay, so a lot of people do ask this question. Okay, what's WordPress used for? So let's go ahead and check what is WordPress used for. Okay, so in the beginning WordPress was mainly used to create blogs. Okay, basic blogs for information, content, to manage content. Okay, but fast forward to today, the software has evolved and you can use it to create just about any type of website. You can build a professional website, a business website, an e-commerce website, a mobile application, membership site, and anything you can think of. So, how can WordPress by itself achieve this? Through themes and plugins. Okay. So you might just have a basic WordPress structure system software installed, but that alone will not give you all these sites. So there are plugins that extends the functionality, the feature of your WordPress site by installing them. Okay. So WordPress is used to build about any type of website. Okay. So now I'm going to give you an example. Let's go to Team Forest. Now, Team Forest is a premium marketplace for teams. Okay, a premium marketplace for teams, WordPress teams, and other things. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on WordPress team. Okay, so in this marketplace, you can get a lot of teams for that are already built with a functionality for your WordPress. Okay, so professional WordPress themes and website templates for any project. So you see WordPress themes, e-commerce templates, site templates. So let's go ahead and click on WordPress themes on Team Forest. Now let's say you're trying to build a particular website to do a particular function, maybe an e-commerce website, or maybe a booking website, or maybe a job website, or maybe a banking portal. Okay, so there are some themes that are sold here on this marketplace that already has all the functionalities, all the plugins that is required to make that platform, that theme work and provide all the functionality you would need for that particular project, be it a banking portal, be it an e-commerce website, be it a job portal. Okay, so let's go ahead and check one and see what WordPress is used for. So this is Blownwe, most people's WooCommerce site. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this for instance. This is a WooCommerce site. So now it shows you how the website looks like. So you can also click on preview to see the preview of the site within action, basically. So it tells you the different things that you're going to get. Team Forest files including PHP file, CSS, JS file, well documented, and so this is the picture of how the site looks like. This is built with WordPress. And as you can see, this is a full-fledged e-commerce website where people can use to sell something, just like the e-commerce website, Amazon, eBay, Jumia, Konga, and so on and so forth. Okay. So this is the landing page, and they have different templates and designs for electronics, for groceries, for fashion, marketplace, you can name it. So this theme has been designed with all the functionalities to give you an e-commerce site on top of the WordPress content management system. You can even see furnitures, auto parts, cosmetics, medical, sportwear, jewelries, books, glasses, kits, pet shops, watches, wine, organic gardening, toys. You can name them. Okay. So when you go ahead and open the site, you see this looks beautiful. This is built on top of the WordPress content management system. And what these guys do is that to just make the whole thing easy, you just go there, you buy the theme, you install it, the theme comes, and everything comes out voila, exactly like this. All you just need to do is to configure it the way you want it to look like, and you have a fully functional e-commerce website using the WordPress content management system. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's check the second demo. So see, this is the second one. As you can see, beautiful. Then we move to the next one. the glasses. Okay, so you see another e-commerce address. So basically, anything you want to build, what WordPress is used for, it can be used to achieve to build any kind of website. Further down in the video, I'll also show you how you can use WordPress to build apps. Okay, so guys, that will be all for now in this video on what WordPress is used for. In the next video, we're going to discuss other advanced topic on WordPress. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.